Thanks, Claire. And with that overnight snowfall, 22 News is working for you with parking bans that have been issued across western Massachusetts. In Springfield, parking bans throughout the city started at 7 p.m. Saturday and will stay until further notice. The Armory Street parking lot in Northampton will be closed today from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and again tonight from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. But it will be open for all other hours. Chicopee issued parking bans on all main roads from Saturday night until 2 this afternoon. And the city of Pittsfield has issued an emergency from 7 p.m. Saturday until 7 p.m. on Monday. Residents are asked to use off-street parking during this time. And parking is prohibited in Greenfield from 9 p.m. Saturday to 3 p.m. this afternoon. For more information on parking bans across western Massachusetts, you can visit our website, wwlp.com. And with the